Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce a new website called Paybilty. This website enables you to shorten URLs of many other videos or your videos itself and make cash by viewership. This website has been growing since these years and it is very helpful for making money by using this website for shortening URLs. Let's get started.
It doesn't.
Hi guys, for this you want to sign up first. Go to that three lines and click sign up. Register this account by using your username. Don't forget to avoid spaces or exclamation marks or commas, etc. Give your mail ID and create a new password and re-enter it, and agree to terms and conditions by ticking it and click register. Yes, your account has been created. Re-login it by using your username and password. Click login. Okay, this is your new dashboard and it shows that the number of your views and your earnings. Okay, please read the announcements before using this app. Okay, this is the statistics and this shows how many views do you get in these days. To start this, you want to paste a link, so you can use any YouTube or any other ways of getting a URL. I am using YouTube. Yes, I am choosing this video. You can choose any video. So I am going to click that share button and copy that link and go back to this website. And paste that link there and click get link. Okay, your new link has been created. Copy this and paste it in any social medias and share it maximum. The more you share, the more earnings you get. You can also use referral codes and many other things. Okay, please don't forget my like.